Good morning, children. Today is the last day of revision for UT third because since tomorrow your exams will start and you have to appear in your exam in online mode. In your syllabus of UT third, I have given you the syllabus in which I have already told you that 3 chapters are coming, and we have already revised 2 chapters from Honeydew, and today I am present with the summary and revision of the 3rd chapter from It So Happened, chapter number 6, The Fight. Children, it is a story of a boy, Ranji, and it is written by a famous Indian writer, Ruskin Bond. He wrote his English literature. He was born in 19th May 1934 in Kashauli, Himachal Pradesh. He is a famous story writer, and he has written many famous stories. And the famous stories of the famous books of Ruskin Bond are The Room on the Roof, The Tiger in the Tunnel, and School Times. For his literary works, he was awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan by Indian government. And he has many contemporary writers as R.N. Tagore, Chetan Bhagat, R.K. Narayan, and Khushwant Singh. The Fight is a story of a boy who came to the hill station from the desert of Rajputana deserts of Rajasthan. In here he had found a pool because he was a well swimmer. And what he did here, this is a story, and an other boy whose name was Suraj, who was living here in this hill station. So they have started the struggle for the ownership of the pool, and nobody was ready to accept his defeat. What become the end of the story? Then I am ready to explain you. Student, it is a long story, so I will give you a brief description of the story. Ranji had been less than. Ranji discovers a pool in the forest and flunks into it at swim. When Ranji went to the hill station, here he found a pool and he started swimming in the pool. There is a serious trouble between him and someone else who has a fight to the pool. A fight ensues. They had a fight. There was a great struggle between Ranji and another boy, Suraj. The first round ends in a draw. At last, their fight became draw. They draw the fight, and at least their fight ends in nothing. Ranji had been less than a month in राजपुर when he discovered the pool in the forest. राजपुर में आए हुए रणजी को अभी 1 महीना ही हुआ था, वहां आकर उसने एक पूल जो है उसे डिस्कवर किया. इट वॉज द हाइट ऑफ द समर. इट वॉज द समर टाइम एंड हिज स्कूल हैड नॉट येट ओपन. गर्मी की वजह से अभी उसके स्कूल नहीं खुले थे. एंड हैविंग एज येट मेट टू फ्रेंड्स इन दिस सेमी हिल स्टेशन. ये जो हिल स्टेशन थी वहाँ उसके भी फ्रेंड्स भी नहीं थे. ही wandered about a good deal by himself into the hills town. वो पूरे में घूमता है, अपने लिए हिल स्टेशंस पे घूमता है. इट वॉज हॉट, इट वॉज वेरी हॉट एट द टाइम ऑफ द ईयर एंड रणजी वॉकड अबाउट इन हिज वेस्ट एंड शर्ट्स पहन रखी है उसने, बनियान पहन रखी है, घूम रहा है. हिज ब्राउन फीट वाइड विद द चॉकी dust and flew from the ground. The earth was purged. It was a very hot. The grass brown, the trees listless, hardly stirring, waiting for a cool wind or a refreshing shower of the rain. Whole the atmosphere, it was the warm atmosphere of summer, and whole the nature wanted some rain. It was on such a day, a hot, tired day, Ranji found a pool in the forest. All of a sudden, during his wandering in the hill station, Ranji found a forest, found a cool pool in the forest. The water had a gentle translucency, and you could see the smooth round pebbles on the bottom of the pool. A small stream emerged from a cluster of rocks to the feet of the pool. During the monsoon, the stream would be gushing torrent, cascading down from the hills, but during the summer, it was barely a trickle. In the summertime, there were no depth of water in the pool. The rocks, however, held water in the pool, and it did not dry up like two pools in the plains. When Ranji saw the pool, he did not hesitate to get into it. At once he jumped into it. He had often gone swimming alone or with his friends. All his pastime, he was a good swimmer. When he had lived with his parents in a thirsty town of the middle of the Rajputana deserts. When he was living in the Rajasthan, and there he was habitual of swimming. There he had known only sticky, muddy pools where buffaloes bellowed and women washed clothes. He had never seen a pool like this. उसने ऐसा सुंदर पूल कहीं नहीं देखा था. So clean and cold and inviting, he leaped into the water. His limbs were supple, free of any fat, and his dark body glistered in patches in sunlit water. Now he started jumping and he started swimming in this clean and cool pool. The next day he came again to quench his body in the cool water of the forest. अगले दिन वह फिर नहाने आया इस पूल में. He was there for almost of hour, siding in and out of the limpid green water, or lying stretched out in the smoothly yellow rocks in the shade of the broad leaves of trees. वह वहाँ से नहा के आराम से जो है चट्टान पर लेट जाता है रेस्ट लेने के लिए. It was while he lay thus he noticed another boy standing a little distance away. At once he noticed, उसने क्या देखता है कि एक लड़का उसके सामने खड़ा है, staring at him and rather hostile manner, बड़ा आकड़ के खड़ा हुआ है. A little distance away, staring at him a rather hostile manner, the other boy was a little older than Ranji. जो दूसरा लड़का उसके सामने खड़ा था वो रणजी से थोड़ा बड़ा था. Taller, thickest, with a broad nose and the thick red lips. He had only just noticed Ranji. उसने अभी अभी रणजी को देखा था. And when Ranji did not say anything, the other called out. रणजी ने उससे कुछ नहीं कहा, but the other boy called Ranji. What are you doing here, Mister? तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? Ranji, who was prepared to be friendly, was taken awake at the hostility of the other stone. I am swimming. कहता मैं तैर रहा हूँ. He replied, Why don't you join me? तुम क्यों नहीं तैरते हो? I always swim alone. मैं हमेशा अकेले तैरता हूँ. Said the other. This is my pool. ये मेरा pool है. I did not invite you here. मैंने तो तुम्हें यहाँ नहीं बुलाया. The stranger strode up to रणजी. रणजी की तरफ बढ़ता है. Who will sat on the rock and planting his broad feet firmly on the sand, said, as though this would settle the matter once and for all. As he wanted to settle the matter, don't you know I am a warrior? The other boy said to Ranji, don't you know I am a warrior? तुम्हें ये नहीं पता कि मैं एक योद्धा हूँ? I do not take replies with blazers like you. मैं तुम जैसे गांव के बच्चों की रिप्लाई नहीं देता. So you like to fight with blazers? तो क्या तुम गांव वालों से लड़ना पसंद करोगे? Said रणजी. Well, I am not a blazer. मैं एक गांव वाला नहीं हूँ. I am a fighter. मैं एक फाइटर हूँ. वो कहता I am a warrior. I am a fighter. They had reached an impasse. झगड़े पे बात आ जाती है. One had said he was a warrior and other had proclaimed himself a fighter. एक अपने आप को वॉरियर कहता है और दूसरा अपने आप को फाइटर कहता है. There was little else that could be said. You understand that I am a warrior? तुम जानते हो कि मैं एक वॉरियर हूँ. Said the stranger, feeling that perhaps this information had not penetrated Ranji's head. I have heard you say it 3 times. रणजी कहता है मैंने 3 बार सुन चुका हूँ. You have told that you are a warrior. Then why are you not running away? तो तुम यहाँ से भागते क्यों नहीं हो? I am waiting for you to run away. मैं ये देख रहा हूँ तुम यहाँ से जल्दी से भाग जाओ. I will have to beat you. नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें मारूंगा. Said the stranger, assuming a violent attitude, showing Ranji the palm of his hand. वो अपने हाथ की हथेली दिखाता है. वो कहता है you have to run away from here. तुरंत at once you have to go from here. तुरंत यहाँ से चले जाओ. Otherwise I will beat you. नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें मारूंगा. I am waiting for see you to go, said Ranji. रणजी कहता है नो, मैं तो ये देख रहा हूँ कि तुम यहाँ से जाओ. You will see to me it, said the other boy. Ranji waited. The other boy made a strange hissing sound. They stared each other in the eyes for almost a minute. 1 मिनट एक दूसरे को घूरते रहते हैं. They stared to each other. Then the warrior slapped Ranji across the face with all the force he could muster. फिर जो दूसरा लड़का था वो रणजी के एक स्लैप मारता है अपने एक हाथ से. रणजी स्ट्रेच, रणजी को चक्कर आ जाता है. फीलिंग क्वाइट डिजी. देयर वर थिक रेड फिंगर्स मार्क्स ऑन हिज चीक. उसके गाल पे जो है मार्क्स बन जाते हैं उंगलियों के. देयर यू आर, ये तुम हो. एक्सक्लेम्ड हिज असॉल्ट. विल यू बी ऑफ नाउ? फॉर आंसर रणजी swung his arm up and pushed a hard bony fist into the other's face. तो उसके चेहरे पे वो भी एक घुसा मारता रणजी भी. And then they were at each other's throat. तो उन्हें उसे गला पकड़ लेते हैं. Swaying on the rock, tumbling on the sand, rolling over and over, the legs and arms looked in a desperate, violent struggle. Gasping and cursing, calling and slapping, they rolled into the shallows of the pool. वहाँ दोनों जो है वो उस पूल के तालाब के किनारे दोनों में लड़ाई शुरू हो जाती है. Even in the water, the fight continues. पानी में भी उनकी जो परछाई है उसमें भी लड़ते झगड़ते दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Splattering and covered with the mud, they grabbed each other's head and throat. But after 5 minutes of frenzied, unscientific struggle, neither boy had emerged victorious. उनमें से ना कोई हारता है ना कोई जीतता है. Their bodies having with exhaustion, दोनों बहुत थक जाते हैं. They stood back from each other, making tremendous efforts to speak. इतने थक गए हैं कि बोला नहीं जा रहा है. Now, do you realize I am a warrior? अब तुम्हें पता चला that I am a warrior, gasping the stranger. Then Ranji said, do you know I am a fighter? मैं भी एक fighter हूँ, said Ranji with difficulty. They gave a moment's consideration to each other's answers, and in that moment of silence, there was only their heavy breathing and the rapid beating of their hearts. अब उस समय एटमॉस्फेयर में केवल उनकी गहरी सांस लेने की आवाज़ थी और उनके हृदय की धड़कन थी. Then you will leave the pool. अब तुम पूल छोड़ दो, said the warrior. I will not leave it, said Ranji. ये कहता नहीं, मैं इसको पूल को नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Then we shall have to continue the fight, said the other. तो हमारा झगड़ा अगले दिन भी जारी रहेगा. All right, said Ranji. But neither boy moved. कोई जाता नहीं है. Neither took the initiative. The warrior had an inspiration. अब वॉरियर को थोड़ी इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है. We will continue the fight tomorrow. कल तक हमारा झगड़ा जारी रहेगा. He said, if you dare to come again, अगर तुम्हारे अंदर साहस हुआ कि तुम कल फिर आओगे, then we will continue the fight tomorrow yesterday. Tomorrow also. We will continue the fight and I will not show you mercy as I have done today. And अब वो कहता है, दूसरा स्ट्रेंजर कहता है, कल मैं तुम पे कोई दया नहीं दिखाऊंगा, आज मैंने तुम पे थोड़ा दया कर दी. Then Ranji said, I will come tomorrow. रणजी तुरंत कहता है, नहीं मैं कल जरूर आऊँगा. Said Ranji, I will be ready for you. मैं कल तुम्हारे लिए यहीं मिलूँगा. They turned from each other then and going to their respective rocks. जाके अपनी अपनी चट्टानों पे बैठ जाते हैं. Put on their clothes, अपने कपड़े पहन लेते हैं. And left the forest by different routes. और जंगल से अलग अलग रास्तों पर दोनों चले जाते हैं. Now it was the time of evening and the first part had been completed here. Now student, I am going to tell you the summary of the second part. When Ranji got home, अब जब रणजी लड़ झगड़ के घर पहुंचता है, he found it difficult to explain the cuts and bristles that showed on his face, legs and arms. उसके हाथ पे जो रैशेज हो गए थे, कट के निशान लग गए थे, वो उसके बारे में किसी को कुछ नहीं बताता है. It was difficult to conceal the fact that he had been in the unusually violent fight. वो किसी को नहीं बताता है कि मेरी आज किसी से लड़ाई हुई थी, फाइटिंग हुई थी. And his mother insisted on staying at home for the rest of the day. उसकी माँ ज़बरदस्ती उसे घर पर रोक लेती है. That evening, though he slipped out on the house, शाम को वह फिर घर से निकलता है and went to the bazaar, मार्केट में जाता है, where he found comfort and solace in a bottle of vividly colored lemonade पीता है and a banana leaf full of hot sweet jalebis, वहाँ जलेबी खाता है. He had just finished the lemonade when he saw his adversary, उसका जो एनिमी था, एडवर्सरी जब प्रतिद्वंदी था, कमिंग डाउन द रोड. देखता है कि वो वही लड़का जैसे उसका झगड़ा हुआ था, रोड पे सामने से आ रहा है. हिज फर्स्ट इम्पल्स वाज टू टर्न अवे एंड लुक एल्सवेयर. उसका मन हुआ कि पहले मुड़े और देखे. हिज सेकेंड टू थ्रो द लेमोनेड बोतल एट हिज एनिमी. फिर उसने सोचा क्यों ना ये लेमोनेड की जो बोतल है वो एनिमी की तरफ फेंक दूँ. बट ही नाइदर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, लेकिन उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया. Instead, he stood his ground and scowled at his passing adversary, and the warrior said nothing either but scowled back to his equal ferocity. दोनों एक दूसरे की तरफ घूरते हुए हैं और वहाँ से चले जाते हैं. The next day was as hot as the previous day. अगले दिन उतनी गर्मी थी जितने की पहले थी. Ranji felt weak and lazy and not at all eager for a fight. इतना थक गया था रणजी कि उसकी अब लड़ने की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही थी. हिज बॉडी वाज स्टफ एंड सोर आफ्टर द प्रीवियस डेज एनकाउंटर. कल के झगड़े से वो थक गया था. बट ही कुड नॉट रिफ्यूज द चैलेंज. बट ही वॉज नॉट रेडी टू रिफ्यूज द चैलेंज. नॉट टू टर्न अप द पूल वुड बी एन एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ डिफीट. कर अगर मैं गया नहीं, इट मीन्स इट विल बी द एक्नॉलेजमेंट ऑफ डिफीट, कि मैंने हार स्वीकार कर ली. फ्रॉम द वे ही लेफ्ट जस्ट देन ही न्यू he would be beaten in another fight. उसे मालूम था अगर और झगड़ा हुआ तो जो है वह हार जाएगा. But he could not accuse in his one defeat. But he was not ready to accept his defeat. He must defy his enemy to the last, or outwit him, for only then could he gain to the respect. इफ ही सरेंडर्ड नाउ, अगर उसने सरेंडर कर दिया, ही वुड बी बीटन फॉर ऑल द टाइम, तो वो हमेशा हार जाएगा. बट टू द फाइट एंड ही बीटन टूडे, लेफ्ट हिम फ्री फ्रॉम फाइट एंड बी बीटन अगेन. एज लॉन्ग एज ही फॉर, अगर झगड़ता है, ही हैड ए फाइट टू द पूल इन द फॉरेस्ट, तो पूल के लिए वह झगड़ा करेगा. अगर वह जीतता है तो पूल उसका हो जाएगा. He was half hoping that the warrior would have forgotten the challenge. वो कहता है कि बैरियर भी मजबूत है, वो चैलेंज भूला नहीं होगा. But these hopes were dashed when he saw his opponent sitting. लेकिन he forgot, जब वह पहुंचता है देखता है उसका जो अपोनेंट, उसका प्रतिद्वंदी है, वो वहीं बैठा हुआ है. Stripped to the best on the rock of the other side of the pool. The warrior was rubbing oil in his body. वो अपनी बॉडी पर तेल लगा रहा था. He saw रणजी beneath the sal trees. साल के पेड़ों के नीचे वह रणजी को देखता है. And called a challenge across the waters of the pool. उसको चैलेंज करता है कि क्रॉस करके इधर आ जाओ. Come over on this side and fight. इधर आओ और लड़ो आके, he shouted. But रणजी was not going to submit to any condition let down by the opponent. But Ranji was very clever. He was not ready to compromise with the conditions of his opponent. Come this side and fight. इधर आओ और लड़ो. He shouted back with equal vigor. He swim across and fight me here, called the other. Or perhaps you cannot swim the length of this pool. It means you can't cross the pool. But Ranji could swim the length of the pool in a dozen times without sting, and there he would show a warrior's superiority. But here he want to show his superiority to warrior. So slipping out of his vest, he dived straight to the water. तुरंत वह जो है वाटर में छलांग लगा देता है पानी में. Cutting through it like a knife, एक चाकू की तरह उसके करंट को काटता है. And surface with hardly a splash, the warrior's mouth hung open in amazement. और warrior का जो है आश्चर्य से मुंह खुला का खुला रह जाता है. You can dive, तुम डाइव लगा सकते हो. He exclaimed, it is easy, said Ranji. नहीं कहता ये तो बड़ा इजी है. Threading water, waiting for a further challenge. अब दूसरा चैलेंज स्वीकार करो. Can't you dive? तुम नहीं डाइव लगा सकते. No, said the other. No, I can't dive. I jump straight in. But if you will tell me how, I will make to dive. अगर मुझे सिखाओगे तो मैं डाइव लगा लूँगा. It is easy, ये तो बहुत इजी है. said Ranji. Stand on the rock, चट्टान पे खड़े हो. Stretch out arms, हाथ ऊपर उठाओ. And allow your head to displace your feet. पैर से नीचे करो, पैर ऊपर करो और जंप लगा दो. The warrior stood up, stood and straight, stretched out his arms and threw himself into the water. He landed flat on his belly with a crash that sent the birds screaming out of the trees. But he can't do it. He failed to dive in the water. Ranji dissolved into the laughter. रणजी की हंसी छूट जाती है. Are you trying to empty the pool? क्या पूल को खाली कर दोगे? He asked as the warrior came to the surface, spouting water like a small well. Was it not good? ये सही नहीं था? asked the boy, evidently proud of his feat. Not very good, said Ranji. If you have more practice, अगर तुम और प्रैक्टिस करोगे, see, I will do it again. देखो मैं फिर करता हूँ. And pulling himself up to the rock, he executed another perfect dive. फिर एक perfect dive लगाता है. The other boy waited for him to come up, but swimming under the water, Ranji circled him and came upon from the behind. फिर पीछे से आ जाता है उसके. How did you do that? तुमने ये कैसे किया? asked the astonished youth. उससे फिर पूछता है. Can't you swim under water? asked Ranji. Ranji कहता है तुम पानी के अंदर नहीं कूद सकते, नहीं तैर सकते. The warrior made a tremendous effort to plunge to the bottom of the pool, and indeed he thought he had gone right down, though his bottom, like ducks, remained above surface. Ranji, however, did you discourage him? It was not bad. ये खराब नहीं है, he said, but you need a lot of practice. तुम्हें थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है. Will you teach me? Now warrior said to Ranji, will you teach me? क्या तुम मुझे सिखाओगे? Asked his enemy, if you like, अगर तुम्हें पसंद होगा, I will teach you, तो मैं तुम्हें सिखाऊंगा. You must teach me, तुम मुझे सिखाओ. I will do that. If you do not teach me, अगर तुम्हें सिखाओगे नहीं, I will beat you, तो मैं तुम्हें मारूंगा. Will you come here every day and teach me? तुम यहाँ रोज आओ, मुझे सिखाओ. If you like, said Ranji. They had pulled themselves out of the water, पानी से बाहर आ जाते हैं. And they are sitting side by the side on a smooth grey rock. एक चट्टान पे दोनों बैठ जाते हैं. My name is सूरज, मेरा नाम सूरज है. said the warrior. What is yours? It is रणजी, मेरा नाम रणजी है. I am strong. Am I not? मैं बहुत strong हूँ. आज सूरज bending his arms so that a wall of muscle stood on his, stretching the while of his flesh. Are you strong? You are strong. तुम strong हो, said रणजी. You are a real पहलवान, तुम सच में एक पहलवान हो. One day I will be the world's champion wrestler. मैं एक वर्ल्ड चैंपियन रेसलर बनना चाहता हूँ, said सूरज, slapping his thighs which shook with the impact of his hand. He looked critically at Ranji's hard, thin body. You are quite strong yourself. तुम बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो. He connected, but you are too bony. तुम्हारे शरीर बहुत, तुम्हारी मसल्स जो है बहुत मस्कुलर बॉडी है. I know you people do not eat enough. तुम लोग ज़्यादा नहीं खाते हो. You must come and have your food with me. तुम मेरे साथ खाना आके खाना खाओ. I drink 1 shear of milk every day. मैं 1 लीटर दूध डेली पीता हूँ. We have got our own cow. हमारे पास मेरी अपनी गाय है. Be my friend and I will make you a पहलवान. तुम मेरे दोस्त बन जाओ, मैं तुम्हें पहलवान बना दूंगा. Like me, अपनी तरह. No, if you teach me to dive and swim under water. लेकिन अगर तुम मुझे पानी में छलांग लगाना और तैरना सिखा दोगे, I will make you a पहलवान. That is fair. तो मैं तुम्हें पहलवान बना दूंगा. That is fair, isn't it? That is fair, said Ranji. Though he doubted if he was getting the better of the exchange. If you are doubtful that you are not getting better in the exchange, that you are teaching me to dive and to swim in the water. Suraj put his arms around his younger boy and said, we are friends now. Yes, कह रहे हैं अब हम दोस्त हैं. They looked at each other with the honest, unfleeting eyes, and in that moment love and understanding were born. We are friends now, said Ranji. The words had settled again in their branches, and the pool was quiet and limpid in the shade of shal trees. It is our pool. ये अब हमारा pool है, said सूरज. Nobody else can come here without our permission. हमारी permission के यहाँ अब यहाँ कोई नहीं आ पाएगा. Who would dare? किसमें साहस है यहाँ आने का? Who would dare? said Ranji, smiling with the knowledge, and he had won the day. और उस दिन दोनों एक दूसरे के दोस्त बन गए. And they have shared the pool to each other. Now it is here, student. Your story is over here, and I will send you some questions for practice, for revision, and you have to write their answers and you have to revise all the questions. And with this we have completed the revision work for the UT 3rd. And best of luck for your exams which are going to start tomorrow, and you will appear in English examination in the last of the examination. So best of luck for tomorrow. Okay students, goodbye.